The Fingerprint Gun Safe Model 8 to 12 offers an impressive storage capacity, accommodating a variety of firearms such as rifles, shotguns, and pistols, with adjustable shelves for customization. Constructed entirely from robust alloy steel, this gun safe is designed to be tamper-proof and pry-proof, ensuring the security of your firearms and preventing unauthorized access. Featuring a state-of-the-art fingerprint identification system, this safe allows for quick and convenient access while providing multiple unlocking methods, including password and key options. The built-in alarm system enhances security by alerting you to potential break-ins or unauthorized access attempts, offering peace of mind for your home's safety. With no installation required, the gun safe comes ready to use, and its sturdy design can be easily mounted to a wall for added stability and security. Metallitrend's commitment to quality is evident with their responsive customer service, ensuring any concerns are addressed promptly and efficiently.